Blocking or masking is basically just that, blocking out a piece of your drawing that you don't want to get paint on. So it's also called resist or batik sometimes when you're using cloth. But what I'm going to use for my mask is rubber cement, which is in this little tube bottle here. And I took a very light pencil, a 2H, and I sketched out the lines that I want to block where I don't want the paint to go. So what I'm going to do now is just gently and carefully take my tube of rubber cement, and I'm basically just going to draw on my paper wherever it is that I don't want paint to go once I'm going to paint with my watercolors. Okay? I don't know if you can really see on the drawing here, but once we put paint on, you will be able to see exactly where I put the rubber cement to block the paint from going. So once you get the rubber cement everywhere you want it, you need to wait for it to dry completely, which is a very important step. Otherwise, it won't block out the paint because it'll just mix in with the wet paint. So you need to make sure that you let it dry completely before you move to the next step.